Welcome, Ji. As the information come, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, wife Rekha Jhunjhunwala, have increased her stakes in one of the mid-cap company. So let's discuss in more detail. So, as per the data, Rekha Jhunjhunwala, wife of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, increased stakes in NCC. Okay. So, as per the data on the BSC showed, uh, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, wife Rekha Jhunjhunwala, increased her stake in NCC in September quarter Q2. The company shareholding pattern the same on shown on the BSC. So as per the BSC data, Rekha Jhunjhunwala have increased her stake in NCC. So as per the data, Rekha Jhunjhunwala bought additional 42 lakh shares of the mid-cap firm during the September quarter and increasing her stake from 10% to 10%. Initially they have a 9%, now we have a 10% in the Q2 from 9.55%. So previously they have in 9.55% stakes, now we have a 10.24%. So in June quarter, and the stock whenever this news come and the stock price was rose by 2.1%, now currently trading at 33 rupees. So the major point that now Jhunjhunwala holding 10.24 percentage say of this midterm from NCC, and they have bought additional 42,000. If you are looking, C now holds about 6.24 shares of this construction company. Against previously, they have a 5.8 crore in the previous quarter. Meanwhile, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala maintained his stakes in the firm at 1.9%. So, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala have maintained his the shareholding, but his wife increased, and now she is going to hold 6.24 crore share of this constructor company. If talking about this construction company NCC, this company consolidate net profit down about 76% Y on Y, and similarly net sale also down 44% Y on Y, and similarly EBITDA is also declined by 55% an year ago. So this company as financially they are showing very weaker sign, but still this big you can say investors are still going to increasing her stake in this company. So we have to think why this big player like a Jhunjhunwala and Jhunjhunwala family are investing such a company, because they have a very long term vision, not one day, 2 day. If the particular share price is low, then that means they can buy the huge number of shares. Similarly, what she did in this, now she bought 42 lakh shares, and they are increasing her stake in quarterly by quarterly. If you are looking the last quarter till June, they have a stakes already increased in the June quarter 9.55 crore, and this September quarter again they increased stake now 10.5, 10 and a half. They see is increasing her stake in the September 2019, then December 19, then June's again June 20, and again September and 20. So they are uh, here your Rekha Jhunjhunwala, Jhunjhunwala Rekha. They were two level. They have increased here, and they have also initially they have hold the shareholding patterns. So here is the your Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala maintain 1.3, and similarly 1.9. Currently they are holding the 1.9% shareholding patterns, and his wife Rekha maintaining about the 10.5% share. So we have do and think and do some research what kind of perspective this big player like Jhunjhunwala and Jhunjhunwala family are keeping and investing in such a company. That is a price. If you are looking about the current price, they are currently trading near about the 33 rupees, and now they are if you are looking, this is this what kind of this company. If you are looking at the financial of this company, still they are not very solid of a growth sign in the last 1 or 2 year. Still these big players are investing such a small mid cap company. So if we are thinking for to make wealth creations, so we have to search those stocks for a longer period of time. I hope these Sunjunala family increasing increasing her stakes in this constructor company, not for 6 months, 2 months, 3 months. They are looking for a longer period of time to getting good returns. Okay. S- uh, Thank you for watching this video.